So here is the Chef's Choice knife sharpener. It's really going to keep your knives really sharp, especially if you have expensive knives. You want to keep them sharp so they cut really well. It has a three sharpening system. You go number 1. If you haven't done your sharpening in a while, you might want to go through one like 5, 6, up to 10 times. And then you do the same thing for number 2, 5, 6, 10 times. It hasn't been a while. If it's been recent, then 1 or 2 will be fine. And when you get to number 3, that's just like your once or twice through just to keep it sharp. So I actually did a little bit to this knife already. I was sharpening it for maybe 3 or 4 times already, but we need to go through and sharpen a little more so that we can get it nice and sharp to get through paper. It'll also work on serrated blades. If you really want to use it on a serrated blade, that's supposed to be 3 only. Personally, the serrated parts will cut, so I usually don't sharpen my serrated knives, but you could. And so this one, you turn it on. Here it's a little hum as the wheels are spinning. It's also angled perfectly for the perfect blade. And I'm going to turn it back around so that I can actually sharpen. So you got to go toward yourself. Start with number 1. Hear it? You want to take long strokes. They say about 4 or 5 seconds each time. You have a nice guide to get you the right angle to go on the spinning wheel. Let's do a couple more. All right, now we're going to go on to number 2. We'll do number 2 as well. Now, the more time we've done this, the easier it slides through. When you first start, it might be a little jumpy or jerky when you go through. Now it's gotten sharpened, though. It goes a nice glide. So I'm just going to do 3 times in number 2, 3rd time here. Always do one side, then the other. And the final one's number 3. Much quieter. And just once on each side. Again, a nice 4 or 5 second draw through the blade, the sharpener. Nice angle, there it goes. We're going to go ahead and turn this off. And I want to show you at the bottom that's actually working. There is this little part at the bottom. This part, they recommend you take out, every, year or so, and take off all the knife shavings. You can see it's got quite a few knife shavings from the blade already. All those little shavings off the knife. So it's definitely working, definitely shaving our knife. And you can see it looks like it's kind of magnetic. They're all kind of, stuck there. So, we can clean that off later. It's not something you have to clean off right away, but it's something you do want to do at some point. And so now let's do the paper test. Nice little piece of paper here. And let's see if I can cut through it with the knife now. That would be kind of a straighter part. There we go. Oh, look at that. Cutting right through the paper. Nice and clean cuts. Yes, this is really sharpened the knife up. So now it's ready for me to cut up some vegetables, get ready for dinner.